Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making teriyaki beef and broccoli. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a large pan I'm preheating. And I have roughly about 3.5 pounds of New York strip steak. I cut into small cubes and I marinate it in some low sodium soy sauce for about a half hour in a freezer bag. We're going to get it in here and get it nice and browned up. Now I'm going to start by adding in some sesame seed oil. Now you can use any kind of oil you like, but I suggest sesame seed oil because it gives your food a good Asian flavor, that good stir-fry flavor that you're used to having. Now I'm going to fry my steak in 2 batches because it's going to put off some moisture because of the natural juices in the steak and because of the soy sauce. And we don't want it to sweat in the pan. So I'm going to do it in 2 batches, get it nice and brown. And after I get my steak all browned up, I'll bring it back. Alright, now that I have all my beef browned up and I have it set aside to rest, and it doesn't matter what kind of beef you use as long as it's a tender cut of beef or steak. This is the leftover soy sauce and beef juices and sesame seed oil we have there. I'm going to add in some broccoli. Now this is 2 pounds of frozen broccoli florets that I ran into warm water in a sink to thaw out. Now I have my heat turned down on the pan to low. While my steak rests, I'm just going to allow this to fry in those juices for a few minutes to start to heat through. Alright, now that I allow my broccoli to saute in here over low heat for a few minutes, I'm going to add my beef back in there. You see how nice that looks. And I took a little taste, guys. It's really delicious with that soy sauce marinade in there. I'm going to give that a stir quick. Okay, now I have some teriyaki sauce here, marinated sauce. We're going to dump some of this in. And it's going to give us our good teriyaki flavor. Let me get the safety seal off of that. And I'm going to dump some in there. I'm going to go for probably about a half a cup. I'm going to turn my heat back up. And I'm going to allow this to fry in that teriyaki sauce for a few minutes till everything heats through, and then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I'm serving this over some white rice, and I added some hoisin sauce to it. If you're not sure what that is, like a sweet Asian sauce. They sell it in the grocery store in the Asian department. I added some chopped up green onion and some sesame seeds. Let me get in here and give this a try, guys. Beef is nice and tender. Try some broccoli. Now you can take some of that teriyaki sauce that it cooked in out of the pan and dump it up your rice if you'd like. Let's grab that big chunk of broccoli. Broccoli has a little bit of a crisp to it, but it's not raw. That's really good, guys. Get that good teriyaki flavor. Get a little bit of saltiness from the soy sauce and the teriyaki. You get the sweetness from the hoisin. That good beef flavor. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. And that just took a few minutes to throw together. Alright, there you have it. Teriyaki beef and broccoli. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.